The sky bleeds gray on a crown of coal. The rain wears the edges of a kingdom's soul. The throne stands empty, its master gone. Yet still the gears of time grind on. Ash drips down like a whispered lie from fires quenched in a godless sky. Every step through the ruins I take is a vow no flood or flame can break. When the ash and rain conspire, they forge a crown from smoke and fire. Time will bend, but it won't forgive. We carve our fate so we may live through the storm, through the fire. We rise when ash and rain conspire. Statues weep in the twilight gloom, names erased from the marble tomb. The banners rot, but the stones still speak in the language of the lost and blank. I walk where kings once drew their breath, in a city of echoes, a throne of death. Yet in my hands the ember glows, a spark the endless night won't close. When the ash and rain conspire, they forge a crown from smoke and fire. Time will bend, but it won't forgive. We carve our fate so we may live through the storm, through the fire. We rise when ash and rain conspire. Rain for the years we could not keep. Ash for the kings who fell asleep. And time for the hands that still remain to lift the crown through fire and rain. Now the throne is not